Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your car bonnet. First, gather your tools, including a set of wrenches and screwdrivers. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety. It's helpful to understand the basic components of your bonnet's latch and hinge system before you begin. This guide will walk you through each step clearly and easily. Next, locate the bonnet latch mechanism and the striker plate, usually found on the radiator support. You'll need to slightly loosen the bolts that secure the striker plate. With the bolts just loose enough, you can gently move the striker plate up or down, or even side to side, to achieve a better alignment with the latch. Test the bonnet closure after each small adjustment. Now let's focus on the hinges. These are typically found near the windshield, connecting the bonnet to the car's body. Loosen the bolts on the hinges, but be careful not to remove them entirely, as the bonnet could shift too much. With the bolts slightly loose, you can carefully move the bonnet itself to ensure even gaps along all its edges. This step often requires a second person to help hold the bonnet steady. Once you've achieved the desired alignment and the bonnet closes smoothly, securely tighten all the bolts on both the latch and the hinges. Don't over-tighten, but ensure they are firm. Finally, lubricate the latch mechanism and hinges with a suitable spray to ensure smooth operation and prevent rust. This helps maintain the adjustment. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.